First of all, don't mind my hair, okay? Secondly, this is how it came. This is your packaging. A wig is what you bought, and a wig is all you gonna get, okay? Hey, beautiful people. I hope y'all having a beautiful day. Welcome back. I'm going to do my second wig review on my second lace front wig ever. And it is glueless and it's from Amazon. So it was easy and quick, okay? And that's what I needed. So if y'all want to know more about this wig, keep on watching. All right, let's see. So this one, as opposed to my other one, is 8 inches. They're both glueless. So they say, we'll see. This one is more curly. Alright, so hopefully this one is bigger than the other one. Let's see, let me just put it on. They have the is it 4 clips? Yeah, 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the lace in the back. Let me just go ahead and cut that off right now. Not sure why that's even there. I mean, it's there in case you want to put your hair up or whatever, but I'm good. All right. Okay, look at you. Oh, this thing is so great. Let me move this over while I get all excited. This is how it looks straight out the bag. There's no shedding. And I mean, the smell is fine for me, but I like this. It's cute. So I'm gonna cut it the best I can, y'all. This is my second ever lace front wig, and it's a glueless one, which means I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to lace. I wish they would just give it to you with like the lace already cut, because it's glueless. I'm gonna cut it along the edge line. Everyone that's gonna get it is gonna cut it along the edge line. Why do I still have to cut it? Do you know what I'm saying? Am I making sense? Or is this supposed to be a side part? I don't think so. I mean, maybe it is and I just forgot. My other one is the middle part. Let's see how it looks on the side. You know what? It sure is. Okay. That looks better. I don't need to say too much. I just wanted to get on here and show y'all this wig. Yes. Yes. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It's definitely going to serve its purpose. It's not too straight, but it's not too curly. Let me show y'all the back. So yeah, I'm a fan. Like I said, I'm not like a lace front girl, so this part really doesn't bother me too much. The fact that it looks like that, I probably just won't ever put this back. I'll just wear it down and that'll be fine with me. But if you are a lace front girl and you like to do styles with your lace fronts and everything, just be cognizant of that. I mean, you might know how to better apply it, or you won't like cut it where I cut it or whatever. But all I did was cut off the lace, put it on, because it is supposed to be glueless. And so for the most part, it's glueless for me. It works for me. So hopefully it works for you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.